Welcome to 1011 Beatty Road, Unit B1. This is a first floor, one bedroom, one full bath apartment home in the St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia. Convenient to I-20 and I-26, Harbison dining and shopping, as well as a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So we're inside the unit. You can see here that it is an open floor plan, living and dining and kitchen area. You enter off the front door. The building. This unit is near one of the doors to the building. And you have common area parking outside. So the closet here, as you can see, coat closet off the entry. Nice sized living room. The large window out to the outside area. And it's open to the kitchen here as well. So you have a sort of peninsula style counter in the kitchen. It gives you a bit more countertop space and cabinet space. You have an included refrigerator, above range microwave, electric range and oven, and a dishwasher. And then you also have a laundry room at the end of the kitchen, set up for what looks like a stackable washer and dryer, but you may be able to configure side-by-side units if you split them possibly as well, just depending on size. You have one full bedroom and bathroom. As you can see, forgot to mention that the unit does have updated luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. And I continue into this bedroom as well. You have a closet here behind the door, 2 bifold doors, and see that flooring continues into the bathroom, where you have a single vanity and sink, as well as a ceramic tiled shower and tub there as well. So that completes our tour of this home, 1011 Beatty Road, Unit B1. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.